Today we are going to start the fifth class on Fourier series. We have already done, we have completed this particular sum. Today we are going to take up this problem, that is function of x is minus 1 between 0 to minus pi, function of x is equal to 1 between 0 to plus pi, and we have to find the Fourier series for this. The given function, this is the given function, is equal here minus 1 between x varies from minus pi to 0 and plus 1 to 0 to pi. How to represent this function? This is an x-axis and this is the y-axis. Origin here plus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this length. Now plus pi and minus pi. Now plus pi here, this is the function from 0 to pi. 0 to pi, this is plus 1, the length is 1, here minus 1, write it here, sorry, this is minus 1 from here to here. Okay, this is origin. Now what is the Fourier series? The Fourier series for any function is given by of a naught plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity is a common for both an cos n x plus bn sin nx. This is the Fourier series. Where a naught, an, bn are Fourier coefficient. This Fourier coefficient, first I am calculating a naught. A naught is given by 1 by L minus L to plus L function of x dx. And what is an? An and bn, you write 1 by L, here also 1 by L, same integral minus L to plus L, minus L to plus L, function of x you write it, no change. In place of dx you write this is cos nx dx, here sin nx dx. If right, you will get 1 mark for this fully. 1 or 2 marks they will give. This Fourier coefficient. Now this is what? Even function. This is odd function. And function of x is given. This is called split function. The function is splitted between two intervals. Okay. This is a split function. Okay. Now a naught is what? This is the formula, right? 1 by n. L is what? Minus pi. This is plus pi. Okay. Therefore What I write? A naught is equal to integral of see 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi function of x dx. Now this I am going to write in a two parts. Minus pi to 0 function of x dx plus 0 to plus f of x, okay, dx. Now what do you observe from here? Minus pi to 0. See, minus pi to 0, the function is what? What is this function? The function is minus 1. Therefore here write minus 1 dx here. Here what you get? 0 to pi. 0 to pi. 0 to pi, the function of is plus x. Here I write plus 1. That is plus 1. Plus 1 dx. Now we have to evaluate, that's all. 0 to pi. Here also minus pi to 0. One by pi. If you interchange the limit, what will get? 0 to minus pi. Sign changes. Right? There is an integral of a to b function of x dx. If you interchange, what will happen? B to a. Sign changes, isn't it? This is the formula. Same thing, what I don't want this, I interchange the upper and lower limit, sign changes. Right? Again this also 0 to pi dx. Integration of dx is what? X itself. Upper and lower limit. Upper limit is pi, lower limit 0. Plus again here what? Integration of dx is what? X. 0 to pi. Then again what? 1 by pi minus 0 plus pi minus 0. 1 by pi minus pi plus pi, both get 0. 1 by pi 0 equal to 0. See, therefore what you get? A naught is equal to 0. See, remember, any even function, any odd function, you take any odd function, a naught equal to 0 and a n equal to 0. Sorry, a n equal to 0. Let us see any odd function. Here a n is equal to 0. Next, I evaluated a naught. Second case, second is what? A n I have to evaluate. A n is what? Minus pi to plus pi function of x cos nx dx 1 by pi. This again same method, function of x cos nx dx plus 0 to pi function of x cos nx dx. Now as usual, this is what you get. This is minus 1, this is plus 1. Okay, we have done this. Minus 1 and plus 1. This is 1 by pi. Simultaneously I am changing the sign here, 0 to minus 5. The sign changes, cos nx dx. Here also I am not changing, this is here 0 to pi. This is 1 into cos nx only. What is the integral of cos? Cos is equal to sin nx by n, 0 to minus pi, plus here also sin nx divided by n, 0 to pi. Here 1 by pi. N comes out throughout. Here sin n minus pi minus sin n0. Upper and lower limit I am doing it. Here also upper n already I have taken. This is our sin n pi minus sin n 0. Then 1 by pi n. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. Minus sin 0 0 plus sin n pi is what? Sin n pi only. N pi minus sin 0 plus n pi minus n pi get cancelled. Therefore 1 by pi n 0. Therefore an is also 0. Therefore what do you observe from this? I said, what did I said? When n is an odd function, when function is odd function, always you take any problem, a0 and an is 0. But you can't do this in physics. If you are a mathematics student, you can directly mention this. In physics, you have to explain all this, because they may ask you for 8-mark question also. Who knows? Therefore, don't write odd function, even functions and all that. Directly you show that how you are getting 0. Right? The next, coming back to this, Bn. Bn is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi function of x sin nx dx. Same old stories. Simple integration, that is directly you can do in the exam. 0 to 0. Function of x is what? Minus 1 dx. Minus into sin nx dx. Okay. Plus 0 to pi plus 1. You understood how? Right? Sin nx dx. Therefore 1 by pi, I am interchanging the limit. 0 to minus pi, sin goes up. Here sin nx dx plus again 0 to pi sin nx dx. 1 by pi. Integral of sin is what? Minus cos nx divided by coefficient of n, x is n. 0 to pi plus again here also cos nx by n, 0 to pi minus 1 by, not minus, this is here what, n I am taking it, pi n minus cos n pi. Here only you have to be very careful. 0 to pi plus cos nx 0 to pi. See, we go wrong always in this place. 1 by n pi minus, I am taking it out. I put a flower bracket. Cos n pi minus cos n into 0. Right? This minus I already taken, upper limit minus lower limit. This portion only student they get confused. How we get? Here also what? Cos n pi minus cos n0. Look, 1 by n pi minus, see, you know this formula, cos n pi is equal to what? Minus 1 to the power of n. We have done already, you have to remember this. Okay? I proved it also previous classes. Therefore, minus 1 to the power of n minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Plus cos n pi is what? Minus 1 to the power of n minus cos 0 is what? 1. Okay. Therefore, 1 by n pi minus plus minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 plus minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. This both get cancelled. This is 2 times minus 1 to the power of n by n pi. Therefore, Bn is equal to 2 times minus 1 to the power of n by n pi. See, a lot of disturbance. Anyway, just so now Bn, for Bn is equal to, you got now here, when n equal to 1, what do you get? Then is equal to 1, you will get 2 n pi see, have you noticed some mistake we have done here? See, sign, both are sign, here cos, here I forgot to write minus. You know, it makes a lot of difference. However, see here, minus I missed. Therefore, here also minus. Therefore, you have to be, from here, you get a wrong answer. I'll start from here. See, this only happens in the exam. However you do it, see here I did it, but I did a mistake here. Look, therefore you have to be very, very careful. In normal condition itself I am making this mistake. Even if I write in the exam, I will do the same mistake. Therefore, you have to be very careful in doing this. Okay. Therefore, minus I am taking it everywhere, minus 1 by n. You believe it or not, I worked it out several times. In spite, I am doing the same mistake. See, minus I am taking it out everywhere. N also. Then I write like this. Cos n pi see, what is another mistake? Tell here. 0 at minus pi. Look, this is a mistake. Therefore, 0 to minus pi plus cos n pi, 0 to, for this reason only, right, out of every 1,000 students, only 2 or 3 students get full mark on this. Therefore, you need a lot of patience to do this. This again I am doing this one. Cos n, sorry, not nx here. Nx by n, okay, n pi, nx by x here, okay. Cos n pi minus here, right? Minus and cos n into 0 plus again cos n pi okay minus cos n 0 is equal to 1 by pi n minus is here. Cos minus theta is cos theta, therefore cos n pi minus cos 0 is 1 plus cos n pi minus 1. 2 times. Therefore, 2 cos n pi minus 2. This you take, this is same as this one, take 2 minus 2 pi n cos n pi minus 1. This is what? Minus 1 to the power of n. Cos n pi is what? Minus 1 to the power of n. You have already proved in 2-3 classes. Again I repeated. Therefore, just remember this. Therefore, Bn is equal to minus 2 divided by pi n minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. See, when n is equal to 1, what happens? Therefore, this quantity remains same. Minus 1, minus 1. Therefore, what you get, this is what? Minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 by pi n and minus 2. Therefore, 4 by n is equal to 1, no? Minus 4. Okay? Here, look, when n is equal to even, what will happen? This becomes 0. When n is equal to odd, you will get some value. When n is equal to even again, it becomes 0. When n is equal to odd, you will get some value. Therefore, you have to choose, you have to write any 3 values. Is it not? 3 values. Therefore, when n is equal to 1, what will get? When n is equal to 1, this bracket, it becomes 2. Right? When n is equal to 3, again this bracket becomes 2. When n is equal to 6, again 2, you get it. Therefore, you have to be, therefore, Bn is equal to, here when n is equal to, I will work it out better, because don't try to save the time and do the mistake. B1, when n is equal to 1, when n B1 is equal to what? Minus 2 by pi into 1, 0. 1 minus 2, sorry, minus 2, therefore 4 by pi. When B2, what I get? 0. B3 is what? Minus 2 pi into 3, n is equal to 3. Here what I get? Here minus 1, therefore minus 2 by 3 pi, therefore 4 pi by 3. B4, 0. B5, minus 2 pi into 5, minus 2, therefore 4 by 5 pi. Therefore, what do you get? B1, 4 by pi. B2, B3, 4 pi by 3. B5, 5 pi by 4 pi. B2 is 4 by 3 pi, 5 3 pi. Therefore, you have all these 3 series. Here what is A0? 0. N is also 0. B1 is 4 by pi. B3, 4, 3 pi. B5, 4, 5 pi by 3. Therefore, put that in series, Fourier series. In this series, function of x is equal to 1 by 2 A0 is 0 plus sigma n equal to 1 to 3 values, that is 1, 3, 5. You get an is equal to 0 plus bn sin nx. Therefore, I'll write f of x is equal to, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, bn sin nx. So we got this fx, or 4 pi you take it, 4 by pi is a common factor. Now n is substitute 1, 3 and 5. Therefore, when I substitute n, 4 by 4 you have taken, n is equal to 1 by sin x by 1 plus sin 3x by 3, sin 3x by 3 plus sin 5x by 5 and so on. See, you got this answer. Okay. In the examination, you have to write up to this. See, you got this. Therefore, every sum is, you have to be very careful in doing this. And how to evaluate the marks for writing the series, 4-year series, 1 mark. Finding A naught, AN, BN, 1 mark. The remaining, according to the steps they will give it. It may be you will get for 4 mark, 5 mark, it depends. Okay, just you practice. This will help you for your mathematics also. Okay, thank you.